Meet the princess you should never have messed with. In 945 AD, the Drevlians murdered Olga's husband. They then had the nerve to ask her to marry their prince. Olga pretended to agree, but asked for a strange tribute: 3 sparrows and 3 pigeons from every house. That night, she tied burning sulfur to the birds' feet and released them. They flew back to their nests, and the entire city burned to the ground in minutes. She didn't just win a war, she sent a message. Don't touch a queen's heart. Follow History Lens for more savage history.